Still pretty cold out here, but I have this jacket. I have this MAGCOMSEN jacket that I think it could be the one for the winter. It comes packed with everything you need to keep you warm. So you have this Parka hoodie over here, which by the way, it has a Velcro, so you can just open that one and you can see the edge over here is gonna give you super warm feel. Inside, you're gonna find, let me show you, by the way, zipper and buttons both. You're gonna find this Sherpa over here that's gonna give you that really nice warm that you feel. This one is super fluffy. I have to say that it runs on the large side, but just for references, I'm 5'10", I weigh 195 pounds, and this is the size large. It comes in so many colors, so you gotta pick yours. But also, you're gonna find vertical pockets over here with buttons to protect it, like pockets on the side as well, and a really nice pocket over here that I have to say that if you want to put like a hand warmer, one of those like battery operated hand warmers, you can put it down here, and that's going to give you like a really nice warm blood circulation in your whole body. You also have elastic straps right here, and Sherpa inside and Sherpa outside everywhere, and also this really nice hoodie over here that I have to say that it feels so fantastic with this kind of like this really nice linen over here. Windbreaker, waterproof, winter jacket, parka, whatever you want to call it. This one could be your next winter jacket.